Across the world, hundreds of thousands of children go missing each year. And when a child goes missing, communities want to come together to help the family, but they don't always know how, and they don't have the tools to effectively find that child. My name is Emily Vatcher, and I'm a Director of Trust and Safety at Meta. Our Amber Alert program was inspired by people who already used Facebook and Instagram for this purpose. When a child went missing in their community, they would share the information on Facebook or Instagram in hopes that somebody would recognize the child and that child would be safely reunited with their families.
My name is Michelle DeLon. I'm the President and CEO at the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. I know firsthand when a child goes missing, time is of the essence. When there's specific concrete information that the public can use to search for a missing child, we've seen remarkable results. We're proud to partner with Meta in the distribution of Amber Alerts, and we recognize that using this technology and galvanizing the communities will bring more children home.
They say that it takes a village to raise a child. It also takes a village to protect one. Our community comes together at the time of greatest need. We all must work together to get the right information to the right people at the right time. If you see an Amber Alert, please pay attention. There may be a clue that could lead to that child's safe recovery.